Yeah, I almost stream every day, but 2 days I can't go stream because I'm so tired. That's why when I wake up. Hello, hello. This is my not all the time. At this time I go live stream. I always go live nighttime here in Philippines at 10 p.m.
Na, habong naman ka. Pilit ka pa habong.
No, I'm not in Thailand. I'm in Philippines. Okay, I'm from Philippines. That's great. I will try to come to talk to you daily. Okay. You can talk me on my WhatsApp and on my Instagram also. Wait, go open. Okay, no, open here. No, actually, it's not open here. It's always closed. Hi, Flavio Fernandez, Peta. Hi. It's great. I will come to talk to you. Okay.
Maganang daw ka. Danawa.
Mm-mm. What's that? Uy, takot ako dyan.
Manguha manig bata.
What's that?
Manguha manig bata.
It's utot-utot. It's utot-utot. This is my son. Say hi. Hi. That's my 6 years old son. No. He's in grade school. Grade 1.
Ano ang gusto mo dakpan?
My friend, how are you? How are you, Makna? I'm okay. He's playing his phone niya. I'm okay. Hi, say hi. Hi, bapag hi. Hi. That's Mak Mak. It's Mak Mak, my 6 years old son. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Makna? Philippines. Cute little guy, yeah.
No, 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 no.
Actually, we're not the same face because he's from his father's face. Little guy, but his father is left us last 2022. So I am a single mother now. I raise my son with my own. So I'm here on the YouTube. So please help me guys to grow my channel, watch my video, and don't skip ads, and also subscribe to my channel, and also buy super sticker, super chat, and be a member on my channel guys. It's very affordable, very affordable. By viewing my videos and no skip ads, you can help me as I'm a single mother. So guys, that's all. I You can help me views, subscribe, and members, super chat. That's it. I know it's 6 in the morning, so I have to go guys because I prepare
Ba?
ourselves for going to school with my son. So I take him a bath and then, but you don't have yet be a member. Just go to my join membership. Sexy mom find a mom. Hello, what about you, Russell Roger? You will. You can buy super stickers. Why you don't like? Okay, please join my membership. I have also there my super chat, super stickers. Oh my gosh, I need to stretch before